Picture this, a dimly lit room, the soft glow of candles flickering, the tantalizing scent of garlic and basil intertwining, dancing in the warm air. A bottle of chilled, crisp white wine awaits. We welcome you to this easy guide for a romantic dinner creation. Start with boiling the pasta. The beauty lies in its simplicity, so opt for spaghetti. As it bubbles away, sauté garlic and a hint of chili flakes in a pool of olive oil. Once they turn a beautiful golden hue, toss in some fresh tomatoes, seasoned with a hint of salt. Now, let's turn to the wine. A dry white variety is recommended, one that will gracefully marry with the fresh flavors of the dish. Pour the wine into 2 glasses, allowing it to breathe, to release its full potential. As your pasta achieves that perfect al dente texture, mix it with your lovingly prepared sauce. A shower of fresh basil and Parmesan, and there you have it. In a mere 15 minutes, you've prepared an iconic spaghetti dish, accompanied by an immaculately paired wine. So ignite those candles and indulge in a dinner for 2. Bear in mind, the joy of good food is amplified when savored with great company. Until our next culinary adventure, cheers and bon appetit.